Good day, my name is Katleo. I'm quickly going to show you how to set up live displays. To set up a live display, you go into the live displays page, and then when you get there, as you can see on my page, I do not have any live displays configured. Therefore, to add a new live display, I'm going to click add new record, and then I'm going to type in the title, of which the title I'm going to type in the name, and the name it's just the name of the live display, and then the title is going to be the name that is going to be displayed on top of the live display. So I'm going to name this one AccuTrack Live Display. And then the refresh seconds, it means you set after how many seconds you want the live display to refresh, and then the period is when do you want to which data do you want to display, whether you want to display today's data or you want to display yesterday's data. And then the host display, you only configure the live display, the host display, only when you have created a host. The main purpose of a host, if I may explain, the main purpose of a host is to have one live display and then creating different live displays, because with different minds we always get different live display views that they would like to have. Therefore, the host helps in that we may have one host and then we have 5 different live displays, and then we link all these 5 different live displays onto that specific host. And then the render order is only necessary again for the host display. When you set the render order to 1, that means this live display is going to be displayed on top of the host. It's going to be the first live display on the host, and then the rest will follow from there. Again, you should make sure that we have clicked include unidentified all sources to help this helps the live display to include all unidentifieds onto the tonnages that will be displayed. And now, for when you have done setting up this, you click update, and then this will just create a record of the live display. Now, to configure a live display, how you want it to be displayed, you click edit button, and then it will take you back to the dialog. But now, if you view on top there, we have different tabs. Now we have the filter tab. The filter tab is mainly used if, say, on a live display you'd like to show only 3 different levels, or only one specific level for that specific live display. Then you just click include levels, and then into the levels, then you click and then select the level that you'd like to display, like I have done now. And then these are the rest, it's just different filters. If you want to show only specific WebBridge on that specific level, then you just include WebBridge, and then there it's ref types. They all work the same basically. And then from there we have the columns. We have the columns tab. In the columns tab, it's just this is where we configure what columns do we want to display onto our live display. Now, the most common columns that we have, it's going to be levels. And to do that, to set up a column, you click on edit next to the column that you'd like to display, and then make sure you tick where it says is visible, and then you click update, and then you do the same with the rest of the columns. Now the next one will be the last train event, and then we'll have daily call, and then we'll have daily actual, and then we'll have morning actual, afternoon actual, and then the night actual, and then we have the progressive call, progressive variance, and the progressive actual. And then we have set up our columns, and now the next tab on our dialog is the highlighting. The highlighting, it's just selecting which part of the live display do you want to be highlighted. Highlighting, it's just like as we have seen with the live displays. If the mine it's not performing according to the target that they have been assigned, then their variances will always be red, and if they are performing accordingly, then it will always be green. So to set that, you set it into here. You can set whether you want to see the morning variance to be highlighted to green or red, and there you this page you only select which part of the live display do you want to be do you want it to be highlighted. Besides that, I think when you're done setting all that, then you just click update, and then to view a live display you click on view, and then wait for it to load. And now this is how your live display is going to look like. But for me, it's not going to show levels because my database does not have data currently. However, but this is a picture. This is how the live display is going to be, and then there it will show all the levels that you have configured. Thank you very much.